Hi guys, long time no see. Thanks so much for joining me today. It's gonna be a real quick video, you guys. It's been a whirlwind move, let me tell you that. And guess what happened yesterday? Yesterday, we get a call from my daughter late afternoon. She says, Mom and Dad, I've got some bad news. We said, what? What is it? She said, you guys need to go get COVID testing. And we said, well, why? She had a whole bunch of her guy friends. What we did was we hired a bunch of her guy friends to come move us with a big rental truck we rented. And then the next day we would close, and the day after that, the big mover truck would come and get all the furniture and the heavy pieces. Well, one of her friends came down with COVID. So we had to all go, the whole family had to go get tested yesterday. Knock on wood, we're all negative. Thank God, thank God. I asked her, I said, well, what prompted him to go get COVID testing? And he had just one minor symptom. Otherwise, he was feeling great, and he turned out to be positive. And so I pray that all is well and that he gets through it real quickly. But he's young, so I think he's got youth on his side. And anyway, so that was yesterday. So it kind of threw a kink into things because I really wanted to decorate my mantle for fall with you guys, but there's another reason I got behind. So as you all know, this was a vacation rental, and in the kitchen there was carpet. And when we first walked in this house, we thought, why in the world would they have carpet in the kitchen? So we peeled it back, and it revealed the most hideous tile you've ever seen. Let me just tell you, whoever designed that kitchen, they didn't know what they were doing. I don't know. I'm thinking it's like IKEA space age gray shine cabinets. It's like a vinyl, I don't know. I think they probably picked it so they could just squirt and wipe it down after every, family that came through here. Easy cleaning, I guess, but it does not go with the look and feel of this house. Whenever I walked in there, you could hear tiles underneath were cracked. They were like literally cracked. You could feel they were broken in pieces. And so they were obviously concealing that and, put a Band-Aid on it. So we peeled the carpet off. I said, I cannot cook and clean in here with that nasty carpet smell. So we took the carpet out, we broke up the tile. Thank God my daughter's boyfriend came over, and we all kind of like were chipping away at the kitchen floor and got it all scooped up. And we decided to lay down vinyl planks, I guess. And so it's a temporary fix. So the day we moved in, the movers showed up, 7 o'clock. They had us all moved in by noon. And then at 12:30, our kitchen gal came, and she designs, kitchens, and she's gonna design the laundry room and the master bath for us. And she said, if all goes well, in 2 or 3 weeks, we'll have all the designs and we can tweak. And if we give her the approval, she can start ordering stuff right away because it takes time. And her thoughts are that if we do that, by Christmas, we will have a new kitchen. So it's kind of a bummer having to do a reno during the holidays, but it is what it is, and that kitchen's gotta go. It has to go. Just not enough storage. It's kind of a weird layout. You'll see. I'll give you a glimpse. Let me put it this way. When the kitchen gal got here, she was laughing. She could not stop laughing. She said, I don't understand why they designed the kitchen like that. The cabinets don't go with the style of the home. There's 2 different types of granite. The flooring, like I said, weird tile beneath the carpet. I'll try to insert some videos after this clip of us kind of, my daughter and her boyfriend chipping away at the floors. And you can see what it looked like. And I'll see if I can find a video of the carpet. It was just gross. It was gray carpet, ugh. And anyway, she went in there, she said, I can't believe they designed the kitchen this way. I said, I know. See, it just couldn't wait. It was awful, and we got to work right away. The tiles underneath were literally crumbling right under our feet. Now, yesterday we went to Lowe's, and I'm going to show you the I guess they're called pendant lighting. I've got 2 pendant lightings above the kitchen table. Those have to go. They look very old school. And then I've got 3 in the kitchen. So I ordered 3, I don't know, do you guys remember what my kitchen lighting looked like above the island in the other house? They're like little orbs. I got 3 of those, but in black. And then I got some other chandeliers yesterday for above the dining room table. Let me go run and get the box. So I thought these would look really cute above the dining room table. So this is hopefully gonna get installed today. They weren't that expensive. It's a 3-light chandelier, and it's called Merlot at Lowe's, if you're interested. But I think it's gonna look really cute because the wood on it sort of matches the dining room table, and yeah, I think it's really cute. All right, so over there is the dining room. You can see the pendant lighting above the table. That's gotta go. So those chandeliers will hang there, and then over, well, let me take you over there. So right here, these are gonna get replaced, hopefully today if all goes well. And you can see right here, these will go above that table. You can see the wood color. I think it's gonna go really nicely with that wood tone. So there's that. So you can see here, that's the new flooring we put in, and you can see just how hideous this kitchen is. I just don't understand the design or the cabinets. Look over here, you guys. See this vinyl? What in the world? Anyway, this is all gonna go. This refrigerator is going to go over here, and this is kind of interesting. She talked about making this a smaller entrance. So we're gonna, I guess, take this out about 6 inches, and the new refrigerator will go there. And then we're gonna get a really cool stove with a mantle vent hood that will probably go there. I'm not sure where she said the microwave's gonna go, but we're gonna do something really cool. And then we're gonna have a big island here, but we're gonna take it out maybe to here, and it will extend out probably to here. And we're not gonna have this height. It'll all be one uniform height. But, oh, and then right here where the refrigerator is, we're gonna take the kitchen cabinets all the way to this post. So it will continue all the way over here and kind of have like a little peekaboo right there. But I think it's gonna be really cool. Now, another idea we had, I don't know if you guys can see this door. It's actually a beautiful door, and we love the color of it. I don't know what color you would call it. Is it a hickory? I don't know. But our thoughts are, let me go over here. We wanna stain this the color of the front door, and then up there, these, beams that go across, we want to stain that the same color, as well as this big beam right here to give it visual interest and character. So that'll be fun. And we definitely want to restain to save money and be cost effective. We would like to take these, this is bamboo flooring, and we'd like to probably restain it similar to the front door, maybe a shade or 2 lighter, so it all kind of goes well together. Now in here, and you guys pardon the lighting, it's kind of a gloomy day outside. I am actually considering painting all this wood, not the ceiling, but all the wood on the walls and so forth, the same color as my old house. I think it will open this up and make it feel lighter and airier. We are considering doing a huge island that's black and distressed, and we're going to be doing cream cabinets all in the kitchen with some very interesting appliances. So hopefully that'll all be coming, within the next few months. Now obviously lighting is going to play a huge part in this whole design. So we are considering, I don't know if you guys can see up there, getting a lighting expert in to kind of showcase the beams at night. So you know, have it on a switch. And if we want to light up the roof line, we'll be able to do so. Now right here is different flooring, as you can see. And we would like to get this all taken out and extend the bamboo all in this space just so that it flows better, you know what I mean? And then have this definitely restained a different color. And obviously this too, and then you go down those stairs, there's another little platform, and then it goes down to the basement. But some unique features to this house are these little shelves, you know what I mean? They've built it up and I think it looks so cute. I don't even have to put nails in the wall. I can just decorate this as however I may, you know, through the seasons. Well guys, unfortunately, that's gonna wrap up this video for today. I've got a water guy coming here any moment. He is going to be testing our well water and talking about putting in a whole house soft water system. So I've got to roll, but I wanted to give you I wanted to say hi and thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me through this busy time. And hopefully later this week, I'll have some decorating for you, like a real decorate with me video. And I'm really wanting to do my mantle. I've got to get down to that basement. There's boxes galore. I've already set up half of my storage room shop down there. But there's so much more I've got to do. So I've got to find my fall florals, and we're going to get to decorating this mantle. So stay tuned. Have a good one, everyone. I'll see you next time. Love you guys.